All right, welcome back to my channel. Good day to you. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on time zone. Please accept my greetings. Yes, sir, I'm here to share something very, very important with you, and it's not going to take much time, so don't worry. All I need from you is to make sure you like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. We have seen what DOS are doing. I'm going to say DOS, I'm talking about the SDOS. They are struggling with everything in them to become relevant. They are trying their best to sweep Mastercard and order or everything Mastercard has worked for. They want to sweep it under the carpet. They claim that Mastercard is not the founder of IPOB. The question is, are they the founder of IPOB? Those of them that say Mastercard is not the founder, are you the founder? You know, right? So what are you doing with it then? So many things is going on that I would like us to, pick the important part of it. And I love the fact that from time to time, they are not exposing what I've done in the past, exposing that beyond human comprehension. They believe that they have rights to do what they're doing. To them, they are the one that own everything. In fact, some of them are even bragging now that without them, there's no Master Monocano. They are the one that made Master Monocano, no Master Monocano making them. They said that Master Monocano built DOS, the current one now, that he built, whether he's the one or he's not the one, let's just follow the way they're saying it on social media, okay? They said that those ones are Sokoto DOS. Whereas they themselves, they forgot that the Master appoint them or select them when he was in project prison. This is things that people need to understand, because what DOS is known for, if you have known how they represent themselves, you should have known by now that these guys are very, very the fact they're expert when it comes to blackmailing. They've used that on PM Samonekpa. They've said a lot of things about him. Like I said in one of our videos last time, I think 2 days ago, I told us that if not because of Master Morgan, I wouldn't have even talked about what they're not doing with Can, because these are people that team up together to attack PM Samonekpa. Today, they are fighting each other. But for the sake of Master Morgan, we are going to expose the lies from SDOS. They know what they're doing. They are not shying away from it. In fact, they're even proud of it. Chinasa Woru is being caught leaking how they collected 40 million naira. He mentioned the names and everything. You're going to hear that, and this is something that is people are sharing it on X. I believe it's important for us to talk about it here on UYT, because some of us are not in X, Twitter. Some of us are only on X, some are just only on Facebook. But if you come across the video, know for a fact that I'm not presenting this to bring anybody down, but to let people know, genuine people, genuine Biafrans, people who actually want to see everything moving smoothly, who don't want to venture into this, back and forward issue and all that. We must understand that some people are here for their personal gain, for their own interest, not for everybody, not for freedom, not for anything. No matter what Fulanis are doing, they don't care. What matters to them is how much they have in account. They prefer to have billions, okay, in account, while what other people's heads are rolling on the floor. They don't give a damn. And these people always want their voice to be heard. They want to be in the helm of affairs, to pilot one or two things, so that they cannot make you to believe that truly they are offering you something. So please, calm down and like the video. Share it to many platforms of your choice. It's not going to cost you anything. Your support start from there. But let's see if you are against the truth. Then I can relate. But if you are not, please do the needful. So, like I said, somebody made this post on X. A lot of people are talking about it. This video is being shared. So not so many people though, but in the circle of our people, they are paying attention to this revelation from Chinasa Woru. So Chinasa Woru, many of you know him. He's one that claimed to be everything. Do call him Aguneche Mba. Okay? Some says Aguneche Uchechi. So depend on what you want to refer him to. But the man is hidden. He's hiding his identity, but he wants to be the leader. He thinks that he's commander of everything. Some people have accused him of some have accused him of being behind of a group called Dead Man Squad. Some people have been caught in one or two criminal acts, and they confess that they're being sent or sponsored by this Chinasa world. So the name is not actually something that anybody is, is proud of. But in one of the videos that we are going to hear in this video, you will hear him admitting. He discussed how they received 40 million naira for sit at home to stop the same sit at home. Okay, remember what happened about sit at home? They are the one that first announced sit at home. Then PM, of course, Amanekpa was in agreement with that. Let there be sit at home to checkmate the activity of Nigerian government to stop them from their advancement of making sure they crush everything down. Then to also remind them that holding Mazamukano is not going to solve anything because they have tried to protest in the past and they got killed. So people, the Igbo youth and Biafrans have lost their lives, all right, in the act of protesting. And not only that, they are now showcasing that to even those who want to protest about bad government and other things, those protests always end in a very horrific way. But Biafrans decided to, okay, let us use it at home to remind them that the man you are holding as an American is a man of the people. He's there for everybody, not for any particular individual. DOS collected money and decided to speak from both sides of their mouth. They used to deny this, but now, like I told you, God works in a mysterious way. They are now confessing non-stop. So the confession is just, some say that this is just a starting point, that more are yet to come. So what you are seeing here is a member of DOS countering what this person said here. So let's go from, let's watch this one first. Okay. I'm not gonna share this one for now. Let's just understand something, because I want you to, because if I share it, you're gonna misunderstand everything. I want you to understand this step by step. Okay. First thing first, he made this post. He said, senseless expelled DOS Iraq. So who did your expelled criminal DOS position to act as Maze Emma Powerful? According to Chinasa Wanketa, that spoke according to Chinasa Wanketa, that spoke with the commissioner as middleman to cut a 40 million naira deal. So say 400. Is it 400 or 40? I think what he said there is 400 million naira deal. I think okay. What I heard from the video is 40. But this our brother here is saying that it's 400 million. So when we are going to play the video, we are going to pay more attention to the figure. Okay. He said the church will position himself as a middle person. Okay, to call the deal of 40 million. So he said 400, well, maybe a typographic error, or when maybe he actually meant it. We're going to see later. He said that middleman is working with your expelled DOS. Since Emma Powerful is not a human being. Emeka Gibbs said Emma Powerful is not a human being. Okay, the screenshot is here. Now let's move to other things. Pay attention. Here, the guy, after reading this, who happened to be DOS member, couldn't stand it. He said, Mugu, you are so clueless. Emma Powerful is an IPOB pseudonym. Okay, pseudonym. And IPOB, this word is simply means fake. Okay, fake name. And IPOB have abolished the office, but Kanonta still uses it to order you minors around. You can see him calling people minors. Okay, it's okay. It's up to you though. Just this is your choice. He said he told him, "Cry for me, Joe." He told him, "Cry for me, Joe." Now, this person said DOS should. This person made this post. Okay, I will comment that. I'm coming to that. So this I put another post. I said, "See this below. The expelled DOS errats are getting the message. They want to retweet, they want to rewrite the oath and remove Master Manukano's name because they already know the implication of the oath. The implication of the oath they took under Master Manukano's name, Oku Jehovah." And he put this one. Somebody called AGK Celestine said, DOS should reverse the IPOB oath of membership and remove Master Manukano in the oath. Let's swear to restore Biafra and our land. So maybe this guy, he talked about minors and people who are maybe senseless and clueless. They actually have a huge number of them in their camp. And that is why you see somebody who called himself Ejike Celestine coming out acting as if US actually want to restore Biafra. He made a suggestion. And the one who called people clueless, which is Ofibo, look at what he said. He said, yes, it would happen soon. Okay, we are not hero worshippers. Yet you want to be a hero. You are not hero worshippers, but your desire is to be a hero and to enrich yourself. And all of them don't have image, they don't have picture, they don't have voice. He made this post to agree with what his colleague is saying here. DOS should reverse the oath, the IPOB oath of membership, and remove Master Magani in the oath. Let's swear to restore Biafra and our land. Can you imagine? Now, this our brother here made it known to them that this is what you guys are trying to do, because you have understood the implication of the former oath that you took on that Master Maganis. And he said to him that all could be over. These guys, because they're contemplating, they're trying to dodge, they know what they have done. The oath member. Okay. Then here again, this our brother said, breaking. A voice chat interview have surfaced where a member of the expert criminals in DOS by name Chinasa was confessing how the expelled criminals, it's confusing. Okay, well, let me just read it the way it is. That Chinasa Woru was confessing how the expelled criminals in DOS collected 40. Oh, now he made it put the right correction that I told you, not 400 million. What I heard in that audio is 40 million. So he now put the correct figure. He said how they collected 40 million naira from Nigerian Commission to cancel sit at home in 2021. They expelled US. Now, he said again, expelled US errors, you are invited. Come to my comment section and cry. I just made a new tweet. So this thing, remember what this guy said here, the one that was trying to defend this guy called Ofoibo. Ofoibo said here, let me go back again and show you something. This post he made here, right? Now, hold on. Just relax. That's something I want to... Let me quickly bring up the post Emeka Gift actually put out there. The one Emeka Gift put out there will help you to understand what this guy put here, because he made this post in agreement with everything. They are agreeing to whatever they're saying, as if they understand, if they understood what they're actually trying to say. Now, let me drop this first to come back on it, because I don't want to mistake. So what you see here now is a post from Emeka Gift, right? So Emeka Gift, some time ago, made this post. As you can see, on 24th February 2024, there is nobody called Imapoafo. The name Imapoafo is IPOB Media and Publicity Office name. Any press statement from IPOB is signed by that office Imapoafo. Anybody telling you that Imapoafo has been arrested is just a buffoon who does not understand how IPOB was structured. Imapoafo is an office name, not a human being. But this Imapoafo have already granted interview in Chinasa TV. I'm just saying. Okay, he made this post as if there is nothing. That Imapoafo is not even a human being. There's nobody. If you say that Okechukwu Ude is the one bearing the name Imapoafo, I'm just giving an example. Nobody, not a real Okechukwu Ude. I just want to use a name. Or okay, that would be understandable. That means he's a human being, but he decided to hide. He don't want to use his original name. But when you say that there's nobody bearing that name at all, it's just like an office. An office cannot talk. An office cannot grant interview. Some time ago, Imapoafo have already granted interview in Chinasa TV. So that means this guy is lying. You get the point. But at the end of the day, the similarity in what he said to compare what this guy now is saying is that truly the name is fake. They use it to do what they want to do, not that there's somebody bear that name in my path. Okay, that's what I can understand from that, because two of them are saying the same thing but in a different tone. Now, this is not the only thing that I want us to understand, because there's other things this guy said, that I want to go. So if you pay close attention to this post that you have gone through before now, and to look back to what he said here, okay, there's something he said, because he made it clear that he understands what they're trying to do anyway. He said, breaking, a voice chat interview have surfaced where a member of the expelled criminals in DOS by name Chinasa was confessing how the expelled criminals in DOS collected 40 million naira from a Nigerian commission to cancel seat at home in 2021, the expelled DOS. Now, he made it clear to people now, like what he said there, Chinasa Woru, all these people, they are aware of this, they collected it. So Chinasa Woru revealed this secret to all of them, and he made it to the people. And this is not maybe this is not meant for public. You get the point now. Hear the interview. That is what I want you to pay close attention to now, and this is the part that we're interested in.
He told him that, please, you people calm down. Let us see what we are going to do. We told him, what are we coming down? One of you is talking the rendition of Martin Naira. He said, bring your accounts and let us send him 40 million naira for you. Please, you people reverse the sit at home order. Tell me, Martin. Yes, right? He said, the number is alive and the lady is listening. He asked him, send me your account, I will put 40 million naira for you people for IPOB. He said to Emma, so Emma told him, Emma said, look, I do not have power to rewrite this press release. I am not the one in charge, the DOS are the one who asked me to put this press release out there. How many million did you say, sorry? 40 million, 40 million, 40 naira. Sorry, not 40 million naira. And it was supposed to go to the entire IPOB, or just the number of. No. He just told him, okay, you get me your account. Okay, I will put 40 million naira so you people can rewrite. Do you understand me? The press release and cancel it. Okay, you understand?
Do you understand it now? Now, remember they said that the Mapafu is not a human being. And now the Mapafu is not in conversation. They're not human being. They're just office in communication. Office is in communication with Mekofo. He said the Mekofo. He mentioned the Mekofo. Sorry about the background because it's from the video, not from my end. Okay. He said the Mekofo he started by one commissioner, a commission, reach out to them. But at the end of the day, I was trying to say that he mentioned everything. That the man told them that, can you rewrite this or press release? Because this is at home is not good for us. After what he said now, 2021, you don't see the reason why they came out and began to fight it at home. He was saying this thing, thinking that maybe he said this thing, thinking that people will see it from the angle, okay, they will refuse to accept the offer. But the reason why they offered you those things to counter it at home, you later started doing that. And you did not do that last year or 2 years ago. You started that, because they gave the orders at home. Then in just few months, is it up to a month or 2 months? They said, no, Master Mekano said that you should cancel this at home. That Master Mekano that said it is actually a make-off for. In fact, let me play it again. Play attention, please. A commissioner from one of the states called Media and Publicity Secretary of IPOB. Mazi Ema Powerful.
He told him that, please,
He told him that, please,
you people calm down.
you people calm down.
Let us see what we are going to do.
Let us see what we are going to do.
We told them, why are we coming down?
None of you is talking about the rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. None of you is talking about what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
He said, bring your account.
He ignored to answer that and said, bring your account.
And let us send him 40 million naira for you.
And let us send 40 million naira for you.
Please, you people reverse
Please, you people reverse the
the seat at home.
seat at home with that 40 million naira. Write a press release. Emeka for is alive. Maybe he's hearing what I'm saying. Are you getting the point now? He asked him,
send me your account. I will put 40 million naira for you people.
send me your account. I will put 40 million naira for you people.
For IPOB.
For IPOB.
So Emma told him.
Emma Powerful told him. Emma said, look, I do not have power to rewrite this press release. I am not in charge. DOS asked me, they are the one who asked me to put this press release. The man now asked me again, how many million naira did you just mention? He repeated it again, 40 million. 40 million naira. 40 million naira. The guy asked me, this money is supposed to go to the entire IPOB. He said, is it for IPOB or Emma Powerful? He said, no. He just told him. He just told him, just give me your account. So I will just put 40 million naira so that you people can rewrite. Rewrite the press release and cancel it, which they later did. You understand it now? I hope it's it's more better than that, because maybe the background may not, maybe you are unable to understand what the whole thing. So I believe that you can hear it better when I try to, interpret it, even though it's not, I'm not supposed to interpret it, but because I noticed that there's noise in the background of that video. So I have to repeat it again. I want to know what your take. The freedom fighter. Anyway, let me know what you think about the whole thing. I can't wait to hear from you. Let me read it from you. What is your take? Did you learn new things? I love it. I'm telling you. Thank you so much, my people. God bless you.